Police car light adventure riders, this is exciting news. KTM has officially introduced a brand new range of touring accessories for the KTM 390 Adventure. If you're planning long-distance rides or Himalayan expeditions, these factory-approved accessories could completely transform your motorcycle. Let's check out everything that's new. Hello everyone, welcome back to Automoto News. If you love motorcycles, touring, and the latest automotive updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, let's dive into KTM's latest touring upgrades. KTM has launched a complete lineup of official power parts designed specifically for the KTM 390 Adventure. These accessories are built to improve comfort, luggage capacity, protection, and long-distance touring capability. The biggest highlight is the aluminum side pannier set, offering secure and weather-resistant storage for luggage. It's perfect for riders planning multi-day road trips. KTM has also introduced a larger touring windscreen, which provides better wind protection at highway speeds. This reduces rider fatigue and makes long journeys much more comfortable. To protect the motorcycle on rough terrain, buyers can now equip heavy-duty crash guards. These guards help shield the engine and bodywork during accidental drops or off-road adventures. Comfort has also been improved with an ergonomic touring seat, designed to reduce fatigue during long hours in the saddle. Other official accessories include a top box with mounting plate, tank bag, GPS and phone mount, handguards, headlight protection, radiator guard, center stand, and additional luggage solutions. Since these are genuine KTM accessories, they are engineered specifically for the 390 Adventure, ensuring perfect fitment while maintaining the motorcycle's premium appearance and reliability. Whether you're exploring mountain roads, tackling off-road trails, or touring across India, these accessories make the KTM 390 Adventure even more capable. So, what do you think about KTM's new official touring accessories? Which upgrade would you install first on your 390 Adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automoto News for daily automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.